Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys and it's a pretty quick one. I'm just going to start off right into the video with moisturizing my face and under my eyes with the Sunday Riley water cream and then the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. And then I go in and prime around my nose area because it gets really oily, and I use actually the Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot instead of an actual primer, and I just put it around the eye area, the nose area, because it's extra oily there. And then I do go in with the Smashbox Foundation in 3.05. It is my summer color, and the concealer is also in the Smashbox new one, the Studio Skin Flawless 24-hour in light, medium, warm. And then I go in and I blend it all out with a beauty blender. Now all these things that I'm doing right now is all my summer kind of makeup routine. I then go in with the MAC Studio Fix powder. I find under my eyes, I find that this guy works the best, especially in the heat. My color is NC40, and in the wintertime I can use this thing just on my own. It's just a little light, so I lightly brush it into those areas that I crease and get a little oily. And then I go around the entire face with that powder. I don't bake in the summertime just because I find that it's too much. And then I go in like I always do with my under eye pencil, and it's the Hourglass one in Espresso, and then the Marc Jacobs powder in OMG 550. And like always, I do use the Smashbox mascara, the Super Fan one. I love this one, especially for the bottom lashes, because it works amazing. And then at the top, I do go in with the newest Kat Von D mascara. I am not gonna fully contour, just gonna bronze in the areas that I normally contour, and I'm using the Terracotta Guerlain bronzer in number 2 Natural. I love this guy for the summertime, just around the jawline, around the forehead, just and on the cheek areas. And then as for almost like a blush, I'm using the Clarins one, which is in number 1 Sunset Glow. Ooh, and I am also using the blush in Panic from NARS. And for highlighter, I am going in with the Fenty Hustler Baby, just on the cheekbones and on the Cupid's bow area, the lip area, whatever it's called, the nose, and inside the tear duct area, as well as under the brows. Somewhere in there I did my brows, and I used the NARS pencil to do that in Lab and Dark Brown, and then I also went over it with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and I highlighted it under there with the Benefit Brow Contour Pro as well. And then this is my all-time pencil that I line my lips with, and this one is in Annabelle 300 Spice. I love this guy, it goes with everything. And then of course the lip product is the NARS in Get It On. And I love adding this gloss in the summertime. It is absolutely amazing. It is the Anastasia Parfait. This gloss I live for in the summertime. Thank you all for watching my video. Do follow me on all social media at Canby Rehal, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye!